You see, I am in a field full of potatoes. This is all potato planting, right? Have you ever thought that why pesticides are given to these trees or sprayed on top of these trees? You might be thinking that it is to just keep the insects and pests, you know, far away from the crops. But the tree's biology is very different. The leaves that you're seeing, they can sense the danger and they can produce different kind of chemicals just to get rid of those insects themselves. So if they themselves have a defensive system against the pest, why would I give pesticides on top of them? Because it is a poison and we are eating these kinds of vegetables. The real reason is when the agricultural revolution happened, we need we needed a system where we can produce more and more food, more and more potatoes and crops and all kind of things. That is why we need pesticides, because if we let the tree be in her own devices, it will take a long time to produce all kind of fruits, vegetables and all the thing that we get from the trees, because the trees time cycle life cycle is very slow compared to us humans. So just to you know uh, speed up the process, we use pesticides. We help the trees to make sure they are clear, to make sure they are pest free, right? And that is why we use pesticides. But it is harming us, because these pesticides are getting inside of the trees, inside of the fruits and vegetables that we are eating. These potatoes may seem very healthy to you, right? But the reality is it is compacted with pesticides, all these things, and we are eating this. Just to feed our growth, we have been poisoning our resources, our own resources. What do you think? Is it a fair trade? Giving pesticides to the trees and fast forwarding their growth and their fruits and growth of their fruits and flowers, and in return, getting a very nutritious, fat fruit and vegetable, but with a coating of pesticides, which is poison in simple term. Until then, be curious, ask questions all the time, and never believe anything else other than your own true self.